In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix microphone not working on Microsoft Teams. If your microphone isn't being picked up in Teams, don't worry. This is usually caused by a simple setting, and in most cases, it only takes a few minutes to fix. We're going to go through the key checks step by step so you can make sure Teams is using the right microphone and that your computer is allowing access to it. First, open your Microsoft Teams account. Make sure you're fully signed in and on the main Teams screen before changing any settings. This helps ensure you're adjusting the correct options inside the app. Next, choose the correct microphone in Teams. Go to the top right corner and click the More Options icon. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings window, look to the left panel and click Devices. Once you're there, find the Audio section, then locate the Microphone drop-down menu. Open that drop-down and select the correct microphone device. This is important, especially if you have multiple audio devices connected, such as a headset, built-in laptop mic, USB microphone, or external webcam with audio support. If the wrong device is selected, Teams may not hear you at all. After that, make sure you're not muted. If you're already in a Teams meeting, check the microphone icon and confirm it is turned on. If it shows that you're muted, click it to unmute yourself. Also, if you're using a headset or external microphone, check for a physical mute button on the device itself. Sometimes the app is working properly, but the headset mute switch is preventing any sound from coming through. Now open your desktop settings. In the settings window, use the left panel to click Privacy and Security. From there, scroll down until you find Microphone and open it. In this section, make sure microphone access is enabled for apps and confirm that Microsoft Teams is allowed under the area for app microphone access. If this permission is turned off, Teams won't be able to use your microphone, even if everything inside the app is set correctly. Finally, restart Teams. Go to the bottom right corner of your screen and click the up arrow to show hidden icons. Find the Teams icon, right-click it, and select Quit Teams. Then open the app again. Restarting the app helps apply any changes you just made and can clear temporary glitches that may be blocking your microphone. And that's it. After following these steps, your microphone should be working properly in Microsoft Teams.